kauna-unahan at kaisa-isang pang-araw-araw na produksyon para sa ating mga kababayan dito sa Amerika. At syempre, nakikipagkamustahan din po tayo sa mga kababayan natin sa Pilipinas, lalo na yung mga bumibisita. And I want to introduce you again. It is such a pleasure to have him back on the show, Direk Dante Nico Garcia of Ploning. The last time we were talking about Ploning.
The last time I was here. Okay naman.
So, ano na, Ploning was 2 years old?
Ploning is 4 years old.
4 years ago?
Yeah, it's in 2008.
Grabe,
Yeah.
Parang ang bata mo kasi. Hindi ka pa tinutubuan ng buhok. Kaya parang kala ko last year lang yan o 2 years. Okay, what has been going on since Ploning?
When I was here for Ploning, a lot of people would come up to me and tell me that there's no way that they can get to see Filipino films outside of what Regal and Star Cinema puts out. So I tried to figure out how to make my next film accessible to Filipinos in North America. At least to more Filipinos in North America, that I don't have to find ways on how to... Kasi ang hirap when I was here to ask people to come and see your film.
Right,
so I'm hoping to be able to help a lot of independent Filipino filmmakers to get their films here.
Produced here.
Yeah.
And screened here.
And screened here at least. So,
dalawang follow-up questions. Number one, you talked about your movie being screened here. So, pagkatas ng Ploning, meron ka ng moving bago.
Yes, I'm done with my next film. It's called Madaling Araw Mahabang Gabi. It stars Angelica Panganiban, Sherry Hill, Kian Cipriano, 25 more young actors.
What's it about?
It's about the tradition also in Palawan na November 1. Traditionally, you're allowed to steal something from a neighbor's farm.
Yeah. Ano mga sinisteal? Mga kalabaw, ganon?
Mga prutas and all. So, but it's ang setting niya is present day. Angelica owns a bar in Puerto Princesa, and dinare niya yung lahat ng banda and waiters to go out for the night and steal something in exchange for negotiable pleasure with her.
Ooh, that is so interesting. But you know, it's also another movie about Palawan. I know Ploning was about Palawan. You know, kudos to you for really being such a great ambassador of Palawan. But you only answered my first question. Second question is, paano naman namin yan mapapanood dito sa Amerika?
Well, I'm just hoping to do premiere for friends who supported in Manila in end of July or early August. But I'm hoping to do tour of this film across North America starting August. So if there will be organizations interested in putting out something, tinrabaho ko din ng konti kasi yung content ng Ploning medyo matanda ng konti, and a lot of young Filipinos, at least yung second generation Filipinos here, didn't get that film very much.
Right.
So I tried to do something that's for the young.
Yes.
Now this time is mga bata naman yung gusto kong makarelate sa ano.
Direk Dante is directing and producing content that will be relatable for Filipino Americans here. So yung mga second, third, fourth generation Filipino Americans, and is also finding a way to show it to us here. Hence, Cup Noodle.
Yeah.
Yes. Talk to us about Cup. Ano ba yung Cup Noodle na yan?
Cup Noodle Entertainment. We designed it na parang if popcorn entertainment is in the movies, a cup noodle, I'm imagining a person who's eating cup noodle or watching something could be Asian away from home. So yun yung nag-design ako ng kumpanya that will put out content for at least mga batang Pilipino na naghahanap ng identity nila, and to show them also the other side of Manila, the posh side of Manila, the beautiful beaches, the beautiful Philippines.
The parties.
And all yung kung paanong 8 a.m. natatapos yung party sa Pilipinas at dito hanggang alas 2 lang, tutulak ka na palabas.
I am so proud of Dante. You know, the last time you were here, you mentioned 4 years ago, you were Direk Dante Nico Garcia. And now, you are not just a director, you're also the CEO of this Cup Noodle Entertainment. Congratulations, and I wish you more power, continued success, and thank you.
Yeah, I will launch this in July, so we're still trying to figure out how to work on it, but I'm hoping to come back and plug it. But definitely we're launching it in July in time for the Madaling Araw, Mahabang Gabi screening in August.
Gusto kong panoorin ang Madaling Araw, Mahabang Gabi kasi gusto kong malaman kung sino ang nanalo dyan sa contest na yan. For now, thank you so much.
Thank you.
If you want more information, gayahin niyo po ako. Fina-follow ko po si Dante Nico Garcia sa Twitter. Yan po ang kanyang Twitter handle. And you'll learn a lot more tidbits about him, about his company, about the goings-on in the Philippines. For now, thank you. More power.
Thank you.